Hey guys, this is Henry from OBEDIA again. Today we're going to be learning how to set your start and end markers in Studio One. So, why do you need to set a start and also an end marker in Studio One? Well, if you're doing things like, let's say you're trying to export a mixdown and some other functions in Studio One, it's going to ask you to set a range, and most likely a way to determine a range, it's between the start and end markers. So this might be a little bit of a boring tutorial, but this is something you need to know in order to apply other functions in Studio One. So start and end markers. How do we do it? If we are in our, so as you can see, this is the main view of Studio One. Here's my track. It's labeled as loop 1. It's a stereo audio track. And if I click on open marker track, you can now see the marker track. And as you can see, the very first marker, it's labeled as start. Now, where's my end marker? Well, chances are it's way farther away from the end of this clip. So if you zoom out horizontally, and I keep zooming out and out and out and out, oh, there it is. There's my end marker. So basically you click and drag it, click and drag it. Then I can zoom in again. And there. So now I can go ahead and drag it towards the end. And now I have set my start and end markers. As you can see, my end marker's it's not right at the end. It's a little bit farther than the end of the audio event. But that's going to depend on what you're doing. If you're doing a mixdown, if you're trying to export a mixdown, chances are you want to have it as close as possible to that end, so that when you export that mixdown, or when you quote unquote bounce your mix, it'll go from the very first part of the clip, of the event, which is where the audio starts, and it'll end the mixdown or the bounce, however you want to call it, at the end where the end marker is located. So that's how you set your start and your end markers in Studio One. If you have any other questions, please call us from OBEDIA at 615-933-6775. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Today's pro audio hardware and software can give you excellent results if you know how to use it properly. OBEDIA can help you to get the most out of your pro audio hardware and software. Why spend your time scouring the internet for answers or digging through manuals? With one quick call to an OBEDIA technician, you'll be connected with someone who can give you the answers that you need in real time via phone and remote desktop. OBEDIA technicians are trained in all major digital audio applications on Mac, PC, iOS, and Android devices. OBEDIA member subscriptions are cost-effective, give you great member benefits, and OBEDIA is here 7 days a week to help you get the most out of your digital audio hardware and software. No matter what your level of expertise, OBEDIA can help you to stay focused and productive and get your music back on track. Start taming your technology today with OBEDIA.